Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, and I think this week is going to be the last analysis for this year. We're gonna return actually next few weeks. We're going to actually wrap up for this year. I hope you're doing great with the festive seasons. This video is a bit late, but I hope maybe you're gonna find it well. Yeah, what's really happening? We are on an economic calendar. We're not going to get some crazy moves, obviously. But today's Friday. We have GDP from Canada. We also have PCE from US, and yeah, what the other ones. This one, consumer sentiment, I don't think is gonna move the market that much. Don't expect some crazy moves, by the way. Yeah, on the economic news, we don't really have much. I think we just need to go on the chart. I started with US oil. We're wrapping up the year. This video might be a little bit longer, but I will try my best to be as quick as possible. As we started with US oil. What I see on US oil is we can easily see that the market is actually on the downtrend. We are on a downtrend, so we can see that yes, we've been pushing lower. Even where we are now, I think the market can do the same. The market can still push even lower. That's what I see. So I don't think maybe there is much. What I can say is, if the market breaks out, we'll be looking for that uptrend. I'm expecting to see a very nice push if the market breaks out. But since they said they're gonna cut some production, maybe the market will break out there. But if not, maybe we will see a continuation on this sell, guys. So we might see a continuation on that sell. But oil is not the same as the other pairs that we talk about. It will keep moving non-stop as we use oil every day. So on Euro US, on AUD USD, what's really happening? We are on a downtrend. I'm using daily time frame because this structure is very wide or bigger, so which means it won't fit well on this screen. So it means I need to have like 4K for this, and there is a different investment. We're gonna have unnecessary gadgets in the house, so we don't do that. We will just zoom in and zoom out. So what's really happening? You can see that the market is going. It was going down very nice, and we had a breakout and we smashed that. If I zoom here, you will see that we smashed out. We did smash out. So let's go there. Let's push. I think this. Yeah, see this cheap mouse thing. This thing is very new, but when you zoom, you can see it's playing games. So yeah, when we can see that, yeah, we just broke out here. You see that we just broke out here on a daily time frame, even on a 4 hours time frame. So we had a buy. You can see the market has been pushing to the upside. So I'm expecting maybe the market to create a resistance there. Maybe we might have something like this playing out like that and keep pushing to the upside, or maybe the market might break that resistance and just keep pushing to the upside. That is also possible. Let me go on 4 hours time frame for that guy who say, Kenzo, go on 4 hours time frame, and we need to see this on a smaller time frame. You can see after we had that buy, whether they did take out their profits and stuff, but this is a very nice move, but it's been very slow. You can see that maybe we're gonna have something like that, but I believe, yeah, something like that might also happen. Where we are, maybe the market might still push the upside. So I think maybe I should go on a 1 hour just to make sure, or let me just throw this very quick for now, because like we know very well that we are now on an uptrend. So which means we will be expecting to have a very nice uptrend going further. I'm not saying this is final, but we know that we're gonna have something like that. So you can see that we're going to have something like this here. Where we are also, I think I see something like that, which means we might end up. Let me zoom. Let me just go on a smaller time frame. Yeah, you see, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. So when times goes on, we're gonna take these lines from working from this downtrend. So we're gonna focus on the uptrend because now we're uptrending. Okay? So this is what we're going to have. So you can see that now we are pushing to the upside. So the market might continue doing something like that. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So this is what I see. The market is creating a resistance there. So it means where we are supposed to have a very nice bullish momentum. So let me zoom it out. You will see. I hope now you see that. So what we expect here, we expecting the market to do something like this, continuing like that, going further. So we are on a very nice uptrend. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Like, share with your friends, guys. The channel is growing very nice because of you. So now we are on USD JPY. Now we are on a downtrend. Previously, you can see we were on a very nice downtrend. We were on a very nice downtrend. So now we're no longer on that downtrend. We are going down. So you can see that the market has been pushing up for very nice. So we had a breakout. So where we are now, the market is just consolidating. We are waiting for the market to either reach this resistance area here, where the market broke out, or to break this support area so that we can continue doing what? Continue selling, because now we are on a sell or a downtrend. So which means we are supposed to look for those sell positions. So you can see that we have this type of a structure. I'm trying to show you here something like this. So I'm expecting the market to break out and push to the lowest side. So yeah, I'm just expecting to see the market going lower. But since today's Friday, I don't really expect crazy moves from the market, especially starting from next week. Maybe today the market will do its thing, but next week the market will be quite slower. This weekend I think is gonna be what, 23, 24, yeah, is that week of Christmas, guys. I forget this date because I don't really celebrate much of the Christmas, especially with those guys who chase goals. I chase goals. I don't chase money. I attract money, but I have some serious goals, which unfortunately I sometimes miss. Listen, not sometimes. I mostly miss because I think maybe they're too big. Maybe. So celebrating too much, it's not like you're not supposed to celebrate, but I think I celebrate every day. Every time I achieve something, I celebrate. So, but if I check the yearly goals, man, I missed them. I missed my goals. So with those type of people who miss goals, but we still progress, right? We still progress. That's why you see me here. If I did reach my goal, you were not going to see me here. I was going to be celebrating somewhere. You see. So for those who are missing the goals, just know that you are not alone, and you don't really have to kill yourself. We can't reach our goal at the same time, right? We can't reach our goals at the same time or every time. So sometimes just because you keep raising the bar, sometimes you don't even see that you're progressing, but someone just wants to be like you. If you keep improving every day, you might not see any change or a bigger change because you're always adding smaller piece every day. So even if you made it, you might not really enjoy that because it doesn't seem like much, you see. So for those who are missing the goals out there, or those are trying to reach their targets and stuff like that, just know that you are not alone and you're gonna reach that. We're going to reach that slower. Don't kill yourself. Just be disciplined and be consistent. You see, I'm consistent, and it's Friday, and people are getting sloshed, and we just here. We working. We working. You see, one day, drop up. All right. So yeah, we are on GBP JPY. We need to talk, guys. Sometimes we get too serious on the charts, but we forget that we also humans. We also have targets. We also have goals. I need to reach $1 million. Hey, but I keep missing that. And I don't really have to kill myself. I still enjoy Savannah or something. You see, so yeah, GBP we can see that the market is on a very nice place there. It's going towards this support area. I think we're gonna see the market pushing to the upside. I think the market will be pushing to the upside. So next year, prepare. Not next year, next week. Few weeks coming. I think it's only 1 week. So what we see here is I think the market will be reaching this level, and I think you will be ready to eat there. You're supposed to have something like this. I think this will push very nice. Just it's going to be a very it can be a swing trade. You can see it can be a swing trade, so you can maybe use a horizontal support like that and say, okay, I don't really want to miss it like that. Once it reaches this area, I will be ready once it bounces back. So the bigger structure tells us that we are on an uptrend. We are on an uptrend. The time is flying. So what's really happening on USD Canada? USD Canada, you can see that we've been smashing this thing for quite some time. Unfortunately, we never have had any proper reversal. So since we smashed it here, up to this point, we missed this point. So what I see is if I go on a bigger time frame, like a daily time frame, you will see that it seems like we have a proper support there, and the market already broke out of that. So now we should be ready to sell. So you can see that we have this point. If I go here, you will see that those areas were something because it's where the market used to come and respect. Instead of the market pushing up, now the market is out there. So it means we will see the market pushing lower. So let's go there and you will see. So obviously we need to have a sell here. We need to have a sell. We need to have a proper sell going lower. We can hold there for quite some time. So I'll be sending this in the group, guys. I will be sending this in the group, so it's fine. So yeah, we are on a downtrend, very nice one. So let's push to the next one. DXY. Now mostly we start here, but I just wanted to cover some other stuff. This is going to be very long, I told you even before. What's going on DXY? You can see that yes, we had a very nice bullish momentum. Now we are going to have another nice bearish momentum. I'm expecting the market to reach this area around 99.500 there. So that might be the area. You can see the market is selling. The market is actually selling. Even though we go, even if we can go on 4 hours time frame, you will see that yeah, the market is still on that downtrend. So what you can do here is maybe the market created something like a support. I see something like that. Obviously the market will keep showing us that, you know what, we're going down. We are going down. So you will see something like this going further, and this shows the weakness of the dollar. This it's DXY, sorry, it's dollar index, which shows it indicates the strength of the dollar, weakness and the strength of the dollar, right? So let's push to the next one. So the dollar is losing some momentum. Yesterday we smashed another one, GBPUSD. What happened? You can see I think I did talk about it. I think I did talk about it on the daily analysis. You can see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. We are on a very nice uptrend. I did talk about this uptrend while we're still here, when we were still on a downtrend, and now we're here. And even next year we'll be going further. So the best thing that you can do is to make sure you get where you can actually keep buying, right? So yesterday we did buy, even though we did not really touch our TP, but you can see that we were halfway there. I'm already out because I don't really trade too much of a currency pairs. So but I did smash very nice. So I'm still expecting the market maybe to push even higher. Maybe it will reach this area. After that, maybe the market will push lower, then to continue, or maybe the market will break this resistance and keep pushing to the upside. That is also possible. But yeah, sometimes the market might disappoint you, but you should understand that yeah, as long as you do the right thing, as long as you follow the structure, most likely you're not gonna get disappointed. So what's really happening is, yeah, we are on Euro USD. Where we are now, you can see it's a very nice resistance. The market respected that area that time, even here. So I'm expecting the same to happen here. Maybe we'll see the market pushing down there, then maybe we will see another push to the upside. That's what I see. So something like that. Oh, sorry, I don't want you, I need the pencil. So something like this might happen. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break this resistance and still push the upside. That is also possible. But should we sell here? Some people, they can ask that question. No, we are on an uptrend. The thing is, you know, the problem comes when you just want to be in the market non-stop. Wait for the market to sell. I guess you already understand or identified the trend. The trend is pushing up. So why do you want to go sideways? When the market is going down, you want to go with it. When it goes up, you want to go with it. So that is the problem, because now it's like you don't want to miss anything and you end up losing. So wait for the market to reverse, then we get it nice. And mostly when the market touches the support, once it pushes like in 2 hours, you'll be eating very nice. Just look at this area, you will see, you will understand what I'm trying to talk about. You can see we're coming from the support area. So what do you expect here? We're gonna expect quite similar moves. Just look at this candlestick. Just look at these candlesticks. They're all going to give you some very nice moves. So follow the trend, follow the market. Mostly the market will be in your favor. So now we're just waiting for the market, whether it's going to break this resistance. It's fine. We're going to take a buy. If not, maybe we'll see another reversal. Then we can continue buying like that as we are on an uptrend. Look, I closed that thing. So yeah, so let's push to the next one. Hey, yesterday we were getting sloshed, guys. So I'm a bit tired. But I was still eating. That's what I like about the market. We're still eating. The thing is, we're gonna get bored from next week, guys. The market won't be moving, so which means we'll be just watching our phones, doing unnecessary stuff. But we'll be ready around 2nd of January. We'll be back. So we are on gold. What's really happening? We are still on this nice uptrend, but we need to zoom what's really happening there. Let's go there. Let's go there very quick. Let's go there. You can see we had a resistant line. Yeah, this mouse, man, I need to change this thing. So you can see that we had a nice resistant line there. The market broke out there. We already have a trade. We don't miss. We already have a trade, so we're expecting the market to do what? To push the upside. So we're gonna have something just to say, you know what? We will see you in 2024. So you can see that I just sent this actually this pending order. I did not really see it when it was around this area because I was asleep, because I was tired. So I'm expecting to see some very nice push to the upside. Guys, for those who wants to be part of the team, you can join the team. Very easy. 6 months, it's $100. 6 months, it's $100, and 12 months is $150, and the lifetime is $250. If you want to be part of our mentorship, it's $350 for 12 months. But on this one, we're just only looking for 30 people. We don't really need to go with a bigger number, so that everyone can learn and everyone can able to take profitable trades, you see. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. I know by next week, obviously the people will be joining, especially mentorship. So reserve your spot as soon as possible. Don't say Kenzo 1 to 3. We're not going to do that, because we also eating. It's not like maybe we'll be struggling. So whoever who's gonna join first, so you have to you have to reserve your spot, guys. You have to reserve your spot. So what's really happening on US30? We can see that the market is pushing up very nice. But we can easily see that now the market is no longer having that nice push. We saw a very nice push yesterday going down. The market respected this area. As you know, we saw it late, but we did eat because the market reached halfway there. But I can see now it's going down, but it was a bit slower. Maybe the market today, it will push up, but I'm out on this trades because the market did push a little bit, especially when I was focusing on Nasdaq. So I'm still very bullish. So we have a support. Maybe the market will come back, bounce back, come back, bounce back, or maybe the market will even reach this type of a support. You can see it on a 4 hours time frame. Maybe let's go on 4 hours time frame. Bigger time frame will also help you to not make unnecessary mistakes. Smaller time frames sometimes they're not necessary. So you can see maybe the market might even reach this area and push the upside like that. But for now, we're going to work with what we have, which is a horizontal support and this resistance. So as long as the market is between these areas, we're going to consider them. See, so yeah, let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? Since we got out of that downtrend, now the market is pushing to the upside. The structure is not really proper. I don't really like this type of structure, but we did have some few profits yesterday. You can see that the market did give us a proper reversal here. I don't know why the market moved like that. So I saw it bit late, but I sent the signal. We did actually go half towards our take profit. I hope everyone's out, and I hope you did eat on that. So I'm still expecting maybe the market, but for now I'm expecting the market to just to consolidate. But the overall picture is still very bullish. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Maybe it's what? S&P, quite similar. We also smashed S&P. This is quite similar to what we saw on Nasdaq. The market gave us this proper, and on Nasdaq we don't really have a proper support, but on S&P 500, to me this is a proper support. We had a reversal, then we had a buy halfway towards our take profit. Better than nothing, guys. As long as we did not really take any loss, that is much better. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. So don't forget that 6 months of signals, it's $100. 12 months, it's 150. It's sale because you're saving from 12 months. You're saving actually $100, and for lifetime it's 250. So you're saving $100 here on lifetime. You're saving $100 on 12 months, but on $6 you on 6 months you're saving actually $50. So mentorship is still $350. I think we have now we have almost 4 or 5 people who are on the way. So it means now we are short of maybe 25, but the number is supposed to be 30 people. Then you still have enough space to join. So let me know. Check my contacts in on my description. Then you can just let me know, or the link. Just talk to me if you want to be part of the team. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. I hope you're gonna enjoy your Christmas, or happy Christmas and New Year. Which I think maybe I see if I can update you with something, I will do that. But if maybe there's nothing, I don't think maybe we need to waste that time. So we need to just spend it to doing something else. So anyways, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys, everyone who subscribed, everyone who watched the video, everyone who liked, everyone who disliked, everyone who unsubscribed. Guys, you all mean something. So thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye.